The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, Winkler Wolves. I'm Ms. Aldrich. I'm an ELA teacher here in 6th grade, but I'm also the advisor for Safe Promise Club, Students Against Violence Everywhere. We're going to kick off things next month start with Hello Week, so I would love for you to join our club. Here are some things that we did previously in the past throughout the year for Safe Promise Club. If you like to know more, come Thursday morning at 8:15 to my room 612, to find out what Safe Promise Club is all about. I really hope to see you there.